Today we want to talk about NFA, or net free area. And we're going to talk a little bit about how that affects your home and how the right soffit can help your home breathe better and the wrong soffit can actually suffocate it. A home that is not well ventilated is prone to things like ice dams, mold and mildew inside your attic, and can even lead to damage of your roof deck itself. Behind me, we have our NFA testing machine. And today we're going to take a look at how Quality Edge Soffit stacks up against the competition. Now that we have the machine on, I'm going to take a competitive soffit product that has very shallow lances and put it in there, and you'll see the NFA block drop. Now that we've got this in here, you'll see that this block that represents NFA is dropping rapidly. That's because the lances are so shallow that it's restricting how much air can get into the home. Now I'm going to take out the competitive product and put in our hidden vent soffit. You can't see the ventilation here in these grooves, but it'll outperform the competition. As you can see here, the NFA block started going up immediately when we took it out, but it continues to rise even with the hidden vent soffit in there. What this shows is when you have a soffit that has the right amount of NFA, you get the right amount of airflow into your home.